Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide the All Mail label in Gmail on your PC. If you want to declutter your Gmail interface and remove the All Mail label from your sidebar, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. At the top of the screen, click on Settings. It is represented by a gear icon. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. This will open the Gmail settings page. Step 4. On the top menu of the settings page, click on Labels. This will display all the labels associated with your Gmail account. Step 5. Locate the All Mail label and click on Hide next to it. This will remove the label from the sidebar, decluttering your Gmail interface. By hiding the All Mail label, you can streamline your Gmail experience and focus on the labels and folders that matter most to you. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.